Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a powerful Python GUI app that I built with beautiful graphical user interface using Flet and Playwright. This allows you to search for businesses through Bing and scrape detailed information from their BBB profile, including companies, name, addresses, phone numbers, business management, principal contact, customer contact, website, category, and their BBB URL. Okay, it's perfect for researchers and marketers or anyone who wants to collect verified business information quickly without manually copying or pasting from websites. And the best part, it's completely automated and free to use. I walk you through the code that I created, and it's actually here. Okay, and I'm going to drag it below, right? And it will going to show you the scraping, how its scraping works, and even save the result to a CSV file for easy use in Excel or Google Sheet. So whether you're new to Python or looking to build GUI scraping tools, stick around. You're gonna love this code. Let's dive in, okay? Now this code that I created is a GUI base. I already created something like this before, but it's a command line interface. You just have to type the file name, run it, and then we're going to ask you what's the search term that you're going to search on BBB, and then it's going to open up the Selenium browser. This is the one that I created before. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think it's here. Oh no, that's not the one. Well, hold on. Give me some second here. That's right down here. I'm going to open up terminal. Let's go. That's yep. Okay. And the code is here. This is the code. And yep, this is the CLI code. What you have to do is to type the code here or the file name Python enhance bbb dot py. Oh, sorry, that's bbb scraper. Okay, it's not there. Mm, let's go here. All right, and then all right, yes, here. Okay, I run the Python enhance bbb.py, and it will going to tell you to put the search term that you want to search, and I have the search term with me that works with BBB because it doesn't work with for instance if you're going to search google.com or yeah google.com for BBB profile, like for instance solar or constructions, right? Real estate. It doesn't work that way. Okay, even if you're going to use the advanced search for Google Chrome, for instance, site colon, and then the what's the site that you wants to search for? That's linkedin.com or bbb.org or any site that you want to search the data. It doesn't work that way. Okay, but on my search term that I'm using, usually I use this search term, and it also put you have to put the what you call this the site, right? The site term, that's a site colon bbb.org/ca, ca for Canada. If you want to search for USA, remove the ca here, remove the forward slash, and then what's the name of the what's the specific term that you want to search, whether that's import or an export, business or company in Hamilton, Canada, or in California, or in Los Angeles, California, whatever it is. Okay, and then you can just put whatever you want to exclude: law, legal, attorney, immigration, consultant, real estate, education, travel, recruitment, accounting, insurance, whatever you want to exclude. You just have to put a minus sign, space, space, and then minus sign, and then what's the term that you want to exclude in the search. Now, while it's scraping, you will see here it's being updated automatically on the table. It has the company name, address, phone number, the business name management. Sometimes it's none. Sometimes the name of the contacts is in the contact customer contact. So it scrape. It will going to scrape the business ad management, principal contacts, customer contacts, category, website. Okay, and sometimes it doesn't have here. Okay, as you can see here, right? And the phone number are also updated here, and the address, the name of the company are also right here. And as you can see here on the background, you will see the Selenium browser keeps on popping up for the profile of the company that's being scraped. If there's a phone number, you can see its phone number, the website, company name, that's there, and then the address, and also the yeah the business the contact details or contact name, whoever it's associated with that contact. So the code consists of, let's close the other code because yeah, it's not we're not going to do this because I already have that on my other video. I'm just going to it will going to show on the upper yeah, it's on the upper right, or no, I'm sorry, upper left of my screen. And yeah, just we're going to close this out, right? And then we're going to tell you what I did to use this application that I used to scrape the BBB using a GUI based application. Okay, the file name that I use is GUI underscore scraper.py. So this is the one, and let me show you the I use the Asyncio imp module, the Flet module for GUI, and then Playwright for to open up the Chromium. I use the Chromium to open up the browser so that it will going to show that I'm not I'm not logged in to my Gmail, right? And also pandas for CSV, right? To parse the website or the profile of the company, right? There's bbb.org, and where else I'm just going to show you. Yeah, there's the part of the company name, right? The data associated, okay? And then what else here? Okay, so that's about it. I also have another program, but later on, I'm just going to show that to you later on the once I upload it. It's already been scheduled to show up on Wednesday, but this will going to show up probably on Monday. This video will going to show up on Monday, okay? And then so that's it. If you have any question regarding the program or the this app, just comment down below. And then if you like the video, just like it, and then share it to your friends, to your other who needs data from BBB. Or if you have any other what you call this website that you want to scrape, that you don't know how to do it, just let me know. I can give you some free consultation about it. And yeah, just ping me for any kind, or just comment down below, or just message me if you have any information, or anything that you want to ask. All right. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.